Prime Minister Narendra Modi, alongside Bhutanese PM Tshering Tobgay, unveiled the Gyaltsen Jetson Pema Wangchuk Mother and Child Hospital in Thimphu. Funded by India, the 150-bed facility showcases strong India-Bhutan cooperation. External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal highlighted the hospital's significance, emphasizing India's ongoing support. Constructed in two phases, the hospital's first phase, operational since 2019, underscores India's commitment to enhancing healthcare infrastructure in Bhutan. Today's next news is, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar briefed Singapore's business community on India's progress in semiconductor manufacturing, highlighting the establishment of 3 semiconductor plants. Jaishankar emphasized the purposeful investment in this multi-billion-dollar industry, inviting Singaporean investors to participate. Following the discussion at the Institute of South Asian Studies, Jaishankar expressed confidence in increasing business ties between Singapore and India. Today's next news is, S. Jaishankar, India's External Affairs Minister, labelled China's assertions on Arunachal Pradesh as ludicrous and affirmed the state's integral status within India. Addressing the issue during a lecture at the INS Institute of South Asian Studies, Jaishankar emphasized India's consistent stance on the matter, stating that Arunachal Pradesh is an inherent part of India. He indicated that this issue would be part of ongoing boundary discussions between the two countries. Today's next news is, warship INS Kolkata, deployed in Operation Sankalp, arrived in Mumbai with 35 pirates captured off Somalia's coast. The Navy handed them over to Mumbai police in accordance with Indian maritime laws. The operation, spanning 40 hours starting March 15, targeted the ex-MV Ruin pirate vessel in the Arabian Sea. INS Kolkata tracked it, identifying it as a mothership for piracy attacks and merchant ship hijackings. Today's next news is, the Indian Air Force conducted airlift operations, rescuing 328 people stranded due to heavy snowfall in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. This effort is part of the ongoing Kargil Courier service, which has airlifted a total of 3,442 individuals since its launch on January 22. With the Srinagar-Leh National Highway closed due to heavy snow, the IAF's timely intervention provided vital support to those affected. Today's next news is, the National Council of Educational Research and Training will unveil updated syllabi and textbooks for classes 3 to 6 for the academic year 2024-2025. Effective from April 1, CBSE officials announced that no changes would occur in other grades' curriculum or textbooks. The CBSE advised schools to adopt the new syllabi and textbooks for classes 3 and 6, offering bridge courses and concise guidelines to support the transition to the updated curriculum framework. Today's next news is, 5 fatalities and 2 injuries resulted from a fire at a chemical factory in Jaipur's Basi area. On Saturday evening, Jaipur Commissioner of Police Biju George Joseph confirmed the casualties, with Jaipur District Collector Prakash Raj Purohit stating that the fire erupted following a boiler explosion. The injured have been admitted to Jaipur's Savai Man Singh Government Hospital for treatment. Authorities have initiated an investigation into the incident. Today's next news is, India, the world's leading exporter of onions, has unexpectedly prolonged its ban on onion exports indefinitely. The move, announced ahead of a general election, aims to alleviate high prices in overseas markets, despite expectations for the ban to be lifted due to reduced local prices and increased crop yields. The government's decision on Friday to extend the ban has puzzled traders, who deem it unnecessary given the current market conditions. Today's next news is, the rise of maritime disputes, from the Houthis in the Red Sea to Russia in the Arctic Ocean, poses a grave challenge to the liberal international order. Freedom of navigation, pivotal for global peace and prosperity, faces mounting threats as dominant powers weaken. Historically, seas were plagued by piracy until Anglo-American naval dominance secured trade routes. Now, as these powers falter, safeguarding this vital principle requires renewed attention and cooperation. Today's next news is Saad Ahmad Waraij, Pakistan's charged d'affaires to India, emphasized the importance of resolving the core Jammu and Kashmir dispute for sustainable peace in South Asia. Speaking at Pakistan's National Day ceremony, Waraij highlighted the sacrifices made for Pakistan's creation and stressed peaceful coexistence as foundational to Pakistan's foreign policy. He reiterated Pakistan's desire for peaceful relations with India, emphasizing the need for dialogue and resolution of outstanding issues, including Kashmir. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Your support means the world to us. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. And until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. See you in the next video.